Hi, how do I gear up for Level Up? Now, my name is Connie Weinhold, and I'm very excited about the Level Up coming up this weekend. And so that you have the data right away, this Friday, April the 22nd at 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time sharp, and on Saturday, April 23rd, 11 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when Level Up is happening, and I'll go into detail later. But before we go to the Level Up event, this is what we want. Everybody wants to move ahead and move forward and really have a business that is successful. But the best way to do that is really to look at, what is God's advice to us. And in John 15, Jesus teaches about the vine and the branches. I absolutely love this. And he says, I am the true vine, and my Father is the gardener. He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit. Well, every branch that does bear fruit, he prunes so that it will be even more fruitful. You are already clean because of the word that I have spoken to you. Remain in me, and I will remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself. It must remain in the vine. Neither can you bear fruit unless you remain in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. If a man remains in me and I in him, he will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. Nada. Okay? If anyone does not remain in me, he is like a branch that is thrown away and withers. Such branches are picked up, thrown into the fire, and burnt. If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish, and it will be given to you. This is to my Father's glory that you bear much fruit, showing yourselves to be my disciples. Now, Jesus Christ, he is the one, he's the Word of God, and he is the wisdom. So when you need wisdom, you ask God, God, help me, show me what I must do, how I must do it. Because it says, even in here, that when you remain in him, you can ask whatever you wish and it will be given to you. Wow, what an amazing promise. The thing is this, the reason we want to be part of the Level Up is it's not just some type of a training or something where you're just wasting your time. That is the time where you learn from very successful business owners that have gone before you, that know how to do this so that you can be successful, that you bear a lot of fruit, that you are productive, effective, that you thrive. That's what this is all about. And that's why we take a look at the Word of God, because that will encourage us and inspire us, and it motivates us to do what we need to do to bear the fruit. Because if you have a business and you're not successful, then you need to ask yourself, how can I be successful and bear fruit and be productive, and so that what I do is effective in reaching out to other people. And that is what we learn on that weekend. It's going to be an exciting workshop. Friday night is open for everyone. And as I said before, it starts sharp at 8:45. So you want to be there at 8:30 and have guests with you. Now, that's the question, how to gear up for this is not just for you to be on, but is for you to have people there that you want to help other people to also grow in income. The best way to do that is really to work with your sponsor. You call your sponsor and say, I would like to invite people for Level Up, and then you call them together. And set yourself a goal. Say, I want to have at least one new person, or maybe at least 5 new people. Whatever it might be, you want to think big because you want to bear fruit. And that way you will thrive and be successful and effective and bear fruit. And that's what we're called to do. Now, of course, none of us likes to be pruned, but that is sometimes really necessary. So that means maybe you need to rethink your strategy, where you're doing and what you are doing. But when you come to this workshop, you will learn how to do it right. And you will be effective, productive, and bear fruit. And that is at the end of the day our calling, that we need to bear fruit in what we do. So think about that. And I'm going to just repeat the details. Friday, April the 22nd at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. That is open to the public. The link we're using, that is for the Tuesday presentation link, and I will also put it in the text. Saturday, April the 23rd from 11 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you must qualify to attend. I wanted to say congratulations on those that have already qualified for the Level Up. We have brand new master affiliates, people that have done the requirements, people that have brought in master affiliates, so congratulations. And these are the qualifications. You either become a new master affiliate or you sponsor a new master affiliate. You have 2,500 within a calendar month in volume, or you do 2,500 together in February, March, and April. Those are the qualifications for the Saturday workshop. Congratulations for those of you that are already registered and qualified, but those of you who are not, you need to be productive and proactive. And how do you do that? You register now. The link is there. And then you register the people that you are inviting as well, so that they can attend with you on Friday. All right? So let's do this. Let's be productive. Let's be fertile. Let's be fruitful. Let's be effective. Let's thrive. Let's be prosperous. Let's be active. Let's be profitable. These are all words for bringing fruit. And that is my desire for you. And I know that that is your desire as well. And in order to get this accomplished, you need the teaching, the training, and the expertise of people that are already successful in the business. I can't wait to see you at the Level Up. Congratulations again. Bye-bye, and God bless you.